Tonight, we are tracking concern over federal child care funding and what it could mean for us here in Georgia. Those questions have come following fraud allegations in Minnesota.
The Department of Health and Human Services has frozen all federal child care payments to that state following a viral video that claimed widespread fraud at child care centers across that state.
In response, HHS now says it's rolling out new payment requirements nationwide and will release funds, quote, only when states prove that they are being spent legitimately. Liza Lucas is in touch with Georgia's officials and advocates about what this could mean here at home.
I want to be clear, there is still a lot we do not know. Right now, officials with Georgia's Department of Early Care and Learning say they are waiting for more guidance as they try to understand how any federal changes could impact Georgia. Now, here's what we do know. Georgia mainly uses this type of federal funding to support the CAPS program, which helps low-income families afford child care. And in Georgia, about 51,000 children currently benefit from that program. Mindy Binnerman leads the Georgia Early Education Alliance for Ready Students, and she tells me she does not want this to cause panic, and she's confident in Georgia's leaders and child care centers, but says it is critical that any new federal rules don't slow payments.
Our biggest concern is ensuring that the state is able to draw down the dollars that they need to pay providers on time, so that providers can keep providing great child care to hardworking, low-income families in Georgia.
Because CAPS centers also serve families who pay full price, Binderman says any potential delay in funding could affect more than just families with subsidized care. Now, when I pressed federal officials for details, I was told HHS will require additional verification from Minnesota for child care centers suspected of fraud, including attendance and inspection records. Now, centers not suspected of fraud in Minnesota or elsewhere will still have added verification, but not as extensive. We're going to continue asking questions and pressing for details. In the newsroom, I'm Liza Lucas, 11 Alive News.
State officials tell us federal funds are typically received on a weekly basis and that DeKalb is diligently working to get more information.